Hello students, hope you all are well at your home. In this video, we will study about sentences and some rules related to it, which is the chapter number 16 and 17 of your English grammar book.
Starting with a question as, what is a sentence? A sentence is a group of words arranged in a proper order which makes complete sense. For example, the sun rises in the east. The girl is dancing. If we write as sun in the east rises the, we can see that it does not make any sense. Now, if we arrange these words in a specific order, then we get a sentence as the sun rises in the east, which makes a complete sense. Now, we have some rules for these sentences. Now, rule number 1, a sentence always begins with capital letter and ends with a full stop. Rule 2, all special names begin with a capital letter. Rule 3, I is always written in capital letter whether it is in the starting or in between of a sentence. Let's understand these rules with the help of example. Number 1. My name is Rita. Here the word Rita is in capital letter because it is a special name, and you can also see that the sentence begins with the capital letter and ends with the full stop. In the second example, we can see that I is in between the sentence, but then too it's written in capital letter. Now let's start the copy work. Draw 2 lines headlines. In the left corner write date and in the right corner write classwork. On the first line write lesson 16 and in the second line in between write sentences. After that leave one line and write definition. A sentence is a group of words arranged in a specific order which makes complete sense. On the next page you have to write this exercise, and the question is, rearrange the words to make meaningful sentences. Copy it properly. On the next page again draw 2 lines headline and write lesson 17, which is capital letters and full stops. In this you have to write points to remember. Number 1, a sentence always begins with capital letter. Number 2, a sentence always ends with a full stop. Number 3, all special names begin with a capital letter. Number 4, I is always written in a capital letter. On the next page again you have to write an exercise, and the question is, rewrite the sentences using capital letters and full stops. Here your copy work is also over, so write it neatly in your copy and learn it. Thank you everyone.